I got some couple of questions. Kanti what happened to rap? Kwenzakaleni rap. Kanti what happened to rap? Kwenzakaleni rap. Hip hop is dead and it's not coming back. Yeah, we used to drop bars, imagine it's stuck with the trap. Kanti what happened to rap? Okay, Kwenzakaleni rap. Attention, I got some couple of questions. Angiko happy ngale new generation. Ni sound ngokufana rap iphendula crashing. Isibiza ama artist akukho story the painting. She a panty painting go but still it's not working. You rapping I fans and niggas they busy pretending. Ni mali ngasebenzi cause you niggas are faking. Gathi careful itanga cause you hoping for pension. I'm not dissing and I'm funny attention, but something is missing, shot with echo creation. And I'm an amateur, go listen to PROD. And the second back is Kumbuzani, what rap beats. It's Googley the rapper on the mic spitting. Pesuga missions, on nigga punch a Mike Tyson. Gatini, but draw my elderly sect like a vision. So as your boy, I'm a pass in my nigga, man, and be the state prison. Kanti what happened to rap? Kwenzakaleni rap. Kanti what happened to rap? Kwenzakaleni rap. Hip hop is dead and it's not coming back. Yeah, we used to drop bars, imagine it's stuck with the trap. So Kanti what happened to rap? Kwenzakaleni rap. Asiyakukhohlisana cause we not politicians. It's not in our DNA and that's thinking the testing. I-aim ukushintsha game and khuhlele benching. Deleli gaming, I'm just playing my position. So take a seat and get to gaya my lessons. If you get got to teach and drop a nigga my correction. This section, the way the stream or get beats in the bangum scene. Don't I'm getting figure puta without a protection. Yeah, vele ngayisusa ngena ukibhuda ngikhanda team but my ngeke likhuphule. So yeah, vele nginobuku ngiphusha umshini ikazuma so come through. Ngibhala ngomkhonto wempeni ubiza unkosi ungrap Zulu. Yeah, when so ngale track ngisusa uthuli ngishanela zonke ley'ntuli. Ngiyantshela nokani ngithusi nipha mengadubuli mengeke nje ngihlale ngithule. So had to dubule mhlawumbe isonke lizokhuphuka first. Kanti what happened to rap? Kwenzakaleni rap. Kanti what happened to rap? Kwenzakaleni rap. Hip hop is dead and it's not coming back. Yeah, we used to drop bars, imagine it's stuck with the trap. Kanti what happened to rap? Kwenzakaleni rap. Kanti what happened to rap? Kwenzakaleni rap.